Barbie Learning to Save by Mary Man Kong, illustrated by Susan Amity. Mrs. Bruno was delighted to have the help. Chelsea watered the flowers, weeded the garden, and planted some seeds. At the end of the day, Ms. Bruno was happy to pay Chelsea for her hard work. She even asked her to come back and help again the next day. Back at the dream house, Chelsea showed Skipper all the money she had made from helping Ms. Bruno. "Good job, little sis," said Skipper. "Soon you'll have enough to buy that teddy bear for Emily." Later, as Skipper and Chelsea took a walk, the girls heard a familiar sound. Ting-a-ling-ling! It was the ice cream cart. Chelsea looked at the money in her hand and decided to buy some ice cream. "One super duper deluxe sundae, please," Chelsea said. "Arf! Arf!" barked Lacey. "Wow! What a mess!" Stacy said to her little sister. "What have you been eating, Chelsea?" "I bought ice cream with the money Miss Bruno gave me," Chelsea replied. "But I thought you were saving for Emily's present," said Stacy. Chelsea felt terrible. What was she going to do? "Don't worry, sis," Barbie told Chelsea. "You just have to start saving the money you earn. Why don't you use my old bank?" "Thanks, Barbie," Chelsea exclaimed. "I'll start saving for Emily's birthday present tomorrow." The next day, Chelsea helped Miss Bruno plant seeds and flowers in the garden. That evening, after Chelsea got paid for her work, she put the money right into her bank. Chelsea liked the sound of saving. Clink, clink. At the end of the week, the sisters counted the money in Chelsea's pink bank. She had enough to buy Emily's birthday gift. "You did it!" exclaimed Stacy. "Hooray for saving!" cheered Chelsea and her sisters. Chelsea couldn't wait to go to Emily's birthday party. When Emily opened Chelsea's birthday gift, she squealed with delight. "This is the best present ever! Thank you so much!" Chelsea smiled. She had learned to save, and the look on Emily's face was worth every penny.